Anyang anak ko pa po, perhaps ikayo rin, I pictured Jesus as someone who is like this. Jesus who is very kind, Jesus who is very patient, Jesus who is very lovable. Anyang umpisa po, nalinob ko keng seminaryo, anyang high school pa mo. May karamdam ko po king ebanghelyo, anong nuka rin, Jesus, mimwaya rin pala. Mwaya rin pala. Ewari anyang ikit no po ring magtinda king templo, mimwaya at pemalukseno rening titindara. At ngayon naman po king ebanghelyo ng San Marcos, anyang gagawa yang mayap Jesus king aldo ning Sabat. Anyang pepakayapa ne po ining metong nga lalaking panat agamat. He got disappointed and he got angry. Mimwaya rin pala, Jesus. Patunaya na mo pong Jesus kaya katamo that being angry is not bad in itself. There are moments in our lives that anger can be justified. Just look at Jesus, king kayang karnasan. O bakit maya po anyang ikit no ring magtinda king templo? Because the temple was being desecrated. O bakit maya ngeni karin tawong makalawe kaya kabang pakayapa ning masakit king aldo ning Sabat? Uling kailangan na po ing dingap. And yet, here they are focusing to, what they are focusing to is their law regarding Sabbath. Ing bawal magobra king aldoning Sabbath. But notice, when Jesus was condemned, when Jesus was tortured, when He was crucified until death, atin tamo bang dimdam kang Jesus? Anong nuka rin? Muaya? Atin tamo bang dimdam? Anong nuka rin? Pamaralsana, no? Rening tao? Ala. He was calm and he was silent. This is where we see how anger is justified. Mimwaya, when people are hurt, when people do not receive the proper treatment, when people are treated indifferently, karinya mwa Jesus. In Diyos, mimwaya ali king pansarili na, not for His sake, not for Himself, but always for the sake of others, for the sake of the poor, for the sake of the sick, for the sake of the defenseless. Pwede tamo pong ikutang kaniting kayaldawan. Karetang karnasan anong nuka rin mimwata mo. We can ask ourselves today, potang mimwata mo, nanong rason o bakit mimwatam? Mwata mo ba uling ating menasakit? O mwata mo uling ing ego tamo mituran niya? Mwata mo ba for the sake of others? O mwata mo uling mituran niya ing kakatamong pride? We can reflect on the words of Saint Paul to the Ephesians nga na po, be angry, but do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your anger. Pwede kang pero kami kakasala. Kalupa ng Jesus, ing rason ning ali para kaya, nune para king ikakayap daring aliwa. Amen?